Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm a Kaggle Master and Junior Data Scientist. Guys, I'm going to start a playlist on database, how to connect a various database with the help of Python programming language. What are the library with especially used? The name of the database is MySQL. So mainly we have to start with the how you have to install MySQL in your local system, then how you connect them with the help of Python database connector, then how you have to start with the coding part like how you create a database, how to insert, join, delete, and all those things. So mainly in this video we will cover the installation part. So let's start. First of all, just search on the Google, download MySQL for Windows 10. Okay, just write a download MySQL for Windows. Click on the first link. After clicking on the first link, you have to see the two options are available for the download: Windows 32-bit and also second is the Windows 32-bit. Okay, so just download this second version 405.2 MB version. Just download this version, and after downloading you have to install it. I already downloaded, so I just install it. Click on this installation part, MySQL installer. Okay, and then I'll show you the step by step of installation, guys. Okay, because MySQL installation is very important for when you going to start a database. When you learning a database, just click on yes. Just click on yes, and your installation is start, guys. Please wait while Windows configuration MySQL install community. Okay, it takes some time, guys. Just after installing this, one pop-up window is open. Takes about 12 seconds time remaining. Okay, just click on yes. After installing, guys, one pop-up window is open. See, this is the opening. Yeah, MySQL 1.4. Okay, this is open. In this Windows, you have to see choosing a setup type. So there are 5 options are available: default, developer default, server only, client, full, and custom. Just click on full. Just click on full, because when we select on full, it's showing lots of version, guys, and lots of examples when you work on the database. Okay, so just select on full and click on yes or next. After this, just click on next, yes. Okay, just back, click on next, execute all those things. Just click execute all those things. It takes approx 1 minute times, guys, and just yes. Okay, make sure you have to download MySQL version, guys. Just install, close. Our installation process is ongoing, guys. Okay, DL installation. Just follow this path, guys, and your installation is completed. Just follow this path. Our installation is ongoing. MySQL installation. Okay, after installing your MySQL Visual Studio installation, just click on this tab and install it. After this, just click on next. Our installation process is ongoing, guys. Logs installation process: Microsoft Visual Studio tools for the Office runtime 2010. Our finish. Just click on finish. All the installation is done. Just click on next. Yeah, this is the not done, guys. This is done in the next part. Okay, this part and this part is not done. This is done by the next part. Just click on next. Yes. After clicking, all the installation part is showing, guys. MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, MySQL Notifier, MySQL Excel, MySQL Share, Router, Connector C++, Connector Net, MySQL Documentation, and simple example. Just click on execute. our installation is ongoing, guys. See, our installation is ongoing. Process is the 50%, 55, 80. Yeah, our installation is ongoing. After this, all the installation is done step by step, guys. First is the MySQL server. After this, MySQL workbench. Yes, first is completed. After this, second is ongoing. MySQL workbench. Okay. So, guys, it's take 1 to 2 minute, guy. Video. Okay, it takes 1 to 2 minutes. So I just pause this video, and then after installation, I just start with the same. Okay. So guys, our installation is completed. See, our all the parts are completed. Just click on next. Now, next is the production configuration. Just click on next. And next is the high availability. Select first option. Okay. Just click on next. Then again next. This is our type of networking. TCP/IP port number and then X protocol. Okay. Just click on next. Then again use the strong password encryption and authentication. Just click on next. After this, you have to set your password, guys. So I just set my password. Okay, I just set my password. And you have to also add a user. Okay, just click on add user. I just write Sivan Kumar. Okay, and I use my password. Just click on next. Okay, your repeat password is just click on next. See, your both password are same, guys. Okay, repeat password, and also you have to use one admin. Just click on next. Again next. After installing, you have to just execute. Click on execute. All those things are executed step by steps. First is writing configuration, update Windows farewell, adjust Windows service, initializing database. After this, starting the server, applying security setting, creating user accounts, and updating the start menu links. Okay. So it's a setup, guys. It's start our setup. Third part is already set up. Fourth is initializing database. So it takes few seconds, and after that it's installed. And what is log? Okay, log is all you have to read this description if you want. Just initializing our database. It takes few more seconds, guys, about 30 seconds. After initializing, just execute. And guys, parallelly, I am planning to start a MongoDB because MySQL and MongoDB both are the database. So I am planning to start both are the parallelly. And very soon I uploaded this video. Okay, our next initializing database is done. Next is the starting the server, guys. So it takes few more seconds, guys. And then after that, okay, it's completed. Just click on finish. Okay, just click on finish. Next, product configuration. Just click on next. Click on finish. Again, next, product configuration, just next. Write your password. Just write your password. After that, check. See, our connection is succeed. Okay, our connection is success. Just click on next. After this, just click on execute. Just click on execute. Our execution is started. Apply configuration. First is done. Second is running script. It takes about 30 seconds, guys. And then after that, our installation is completed. Running scripts is running, guys. Within a few seconds, it's completed. And same thing, guys, when you install in your system, just download the same version from the Google. Just write a Windows MySQL, download MySQL installer. Okay, download the same version and then follow the same steps. Because in MySQL, there are many of the people facing a lots of problem. So make sure you have to follow the same steps. After this is running script, guys. Okay, it's a finish, guys. Just click on finish. Just click on finish. Okay, then next. Again next, and our installation complete. Our installation is complete. Just click on finish. Now our setup window is open, guys. Within a second, our workbench is open. Now this is the program file. Our workbench is open within a few seconds. Okay, now our workbench is open, guys. Now this is our workbench, guys. Okay, so just click on the connect to database. Just click on connect to database. Okay, after that, okay, you have to enter your password. I just enter my password. Okay, and then okay, and after this our workbench is open, guys. See, our workbench is look like this, guys. Okay, our workbench is look like this. I just show you. I just let me zoom these things. Okay, so you see properly. Okay, I just these are the guys like our default database. I just print some of the database like show database databases, and then I just click on query and run execute. Okay, see our some of the this is our default database, guys. Okay, if you want to create a new database, just create a database. Just write create database and your name like Siva. Okay, just write create and click on query and just run. Our query is run. See, our database is created. Create database Shiva. Okay, next just remove this and write show database. Click on query and just execute it. See, our database is created name as Siva. Okay, so this was just okay. That's all about in this video, guys. This was the because of the start the installation, guys. Next video we have start with the coding part, like how to create a complete query like a insert, delete, join, and all those things. Okay, I hope you understand it. I hope you like it this video. Please do let me know whether you have facing any types of issue while the installing MySQL. We'll try to help you and reply you back in the comment section, and also join our Telegram group, guys. Link is given in the description section. So this was all about in this video. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe the channel if you have not already subscribed. I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.